Hello everyone. In the previous videos, we had seen about what is management, what are the functions of management, how management works, all these things we had seen in the previous two videos. In this video, we are going to see about 14 principles of management, which is making the management or which is making the organization to a higher productivity level. These 14 principles of management was given by Henry Fayol. He is also called as father of modern management. Basing on his previous experience in organization, he developed these principles. Through these principles, managers began to get the tools they needed to lead and manage more efficiently. Here we are having 14 principles. In that, the first one is division of work. What do you mean by division of work? Division of work is a specialized area where an labor is work at a specialized, where he is having some special working abilities. So division of work, it is based on division of work. Specialization allows the individual to build up experience and also improvement of skills in a long term basis. That is why a right person in a right place at a right job and a right time, this is a division of work. The next one is authority. See, managers should have the power to give the order. At the same time, he must have the responsibility in order to make his authority a good. So here parity of authority and responsibility goes simultaneously. Next, third one is discipline. We all know discipline is obedience, and here importance of obedience is highly required, means having good conduct and having a respectful interaction with other people. All these things makes the organization more harmonious relations. Next one is unity of command. Employees must have only one direct supervisor. That makes the labor, or that makes the people or employees who is working in organization will get a clear cut view about what the work they has to done in the organization. The fifth one is unity of direction. Simply we can say it, moving of entire firm in the same direction. Direction is very highly somewhat difficult, means making the people, all the people putting the same knowledge in all people's mind and working in the same corner. It is highly difficult, but these principles of management makes a manager to do all the things in a way that all the people will listen to him and they move in the same direction. Next one, subordination of individual interest to general interest. Here, this the manager must give to the importance to the individuals but rather than to the group. That is highly required. Individual relation must exist here. The seventh point is remuneration. As we know that remuneration is very important factor in the organization, which is makes an employee to do work in a highly productive manner. Timely payment makes the persons to do the work more, and also they'll be get motivated by the payment. The next one is centralization. Decision making authority must be exist with the top management or executive boards or CEO or CFO, whoever it is at the top level, they has to take the decision making power. And these decision making power, when it is discussed at the lower level, it is called as decentralization. Centralization is power with top level management, and decentralization means talking about the whatever the decisions taken by the top management is being discussed in the lower level management, means communication is continuously, no vacuum is exist between the top level and middle level and lower level management. The next one is scalar chain. Scalar chain is line of authority. Line of authority is a hierarchy is being maintained and it is necessary for unity of direction. If unity of direction exists, then only we can have scalar chain, means a hierarchy will be followed, a portfolio will be followed. Next one is the 10th one, order. Workplace should be clean and safe for all the employees. Order, material order as well as personal order to be maintained in the organization. The next one is equity, treating all employees equally without any partiality. This is highly required. We should not treat one person different and the other person as you are very near and dear to him. We should not treat the employees like this. 12th one, stability of tenure of personnel. Secured and career progressive job is there. If it is like secured, if secured job, then the employees will be too motivated and they can give higher profits to the organization. The next one is initiative. Employees must have necessary level of freedom in order to express his or her views to the organization at the time when it requires. Esprit de corps, it is a team spirit. Real talent is needed to coordinate effort, no place for jealous, and maintain a harmonious relation in the organization. Maybe in the present days these 14 principles may be followed or not, but in many of the situations we come against these 14 principles of management and we are going to solve many of the problems in the organization. Thank you.